In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Canvas in Slack. If you want a simple way to organize information, share notes, or keep important details available for everyone in a Slack conversation, adding a Canvas is a great option. A Canvas gives your channel a dedicated space for content that needs to be more structured than a regular message, so it's especially useful for team planning, project updates, or shared reference material. To get started, open Slack and go to the channel where you want the Canvas to live. This is important because the Canvas will be connected to that specific channel, making it easy for the people in that space to access it whenever they need it. Once you're inside the correct channel, look for the option to add a Canvas and click on Add Canvas. After that, Slack will give you a few ways to begin creating your Canvas. In this walkthrough, we're using a ready-made structure. So click on Start with a Template. Templates can save time because they already include a layout designed for common use cases. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can begin with a format that's already organized and then adjust it later based on your team's needs. Next, choose a template from the available options. Take a moment here to pick the one that best matches what you're trying to create. For example, some templates may be better for meeting notes, while others may work better for planning or documenting information. Choosing the right template up front can make the Canvas much easier to use once your content starts growing. Once you've selected the template you want, click Use Template. That will create the Canvas inside the channel and apply the structure you chose. From there, you can begin editing and customizing the content to fit your workflow. A helpful tip is to think about who will be using the Canvas before you choose the template. If the Canvas is meant to be updated regularly by a team, using a clean and simple format usually makes collaboration easier. If it's more of a reference page, then a template with clear sections can help keep everything organized. And that's all it takes to add a Canvas in Slack using a template. Open the channel, click Add Canvas, choose. Start with a template, select the template you want, and then click Use Template. Once it's created, you'll have a shared space that makes information easier to find and manage right inside Slack.